Hey guys, Ashley Pederson here with Promo Realty, and I'm standing in front of 1418 Dixon Drive, which is also known as Christmas Card Lane. This is a great home, great opportunity for somebody, main level living, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, beautiful hardwood floors inside. This home has been so well taken care of. You're going to love the back sunroom as well. There's a 1-car garage and then a fenced in flat backyard. So sit back and enjoy the tour.